Hey guys, this is Saki from BdThemes presenting you the video tutorial of the author widget. The author is a block type widget for displaying all your blog authors, maybe in an introduction page. It is a widget made by the Ultimate PostKit plugin to boost your blogging experience to the next level. Let's see how it works. The layout section holds all the basic settings for the widget. The interface can be selected as a grid or a list style. For both style, you can select the number of columns displayed up to 6. Use column gap to distance each entry. Also use content alignment and meta alignment to get the perfect viewing position. Like turn off the avatar or turn it on back again. It's the work of the switchers. The switchers below are responsible to show or hide specific content on the display. You can also select up to 8 social links. On query, you can increase the number of entries on the display. Select role to limit the visible entries to a specific category. Also, you can exclude specific authors by their ID number. Let me show you how. Go to your dashboard, click on the tab Users. On it, find Sonia and edit its user. On the URL field, you can see the ID number tagged as 26. See it? Now, on the exclude field, tap the ID number and see the ID vanish. That's how you use the exclude option. Moving on to the Style tab, let's change the whole background of the entries from the Items section. Let's make the hover color a bit deeper. You can change the color of the author names as well as the typography. Same goes for the role. For the roles, a dark green color should be perfect. Also, the same goes for the typography. You can increase the text size or decrease it as you so. The little description below the role tag can be styled with color and typography. Of course, for the typography, go with the one you are using for all of the texts. And the post count marked at the top right corner can be customized. Change its color for the both text and background. Add border radius and some paddings. And that's it. Same goes for the social links. Increase padding for the social links to make them tiny little circles. Don't forget the hover colors. That's it, your author page is ready to roll. Now, what we showed on this video is only a tiny fraction of what you can do with this widget. Like our demo page, there are more than one examples of how you can decorate your author with this widget. You can see from a number of examples made by our developers, and you can choose what type of style suits you the best. That's it, your blog post is now ready to be published. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe this channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching.